Starting an Amazon FBA business can seem overwhelming when you don't know where to begin, but here is the truth. Thousands of people successfully launch FBA businesses every month by following a proven step-by-step process. Today, I'm going to talk about or walk you through exactly how to start Amazon FBA from complete beginner to making your first sale, covering every single step you need to take. Let me start with what Amazon FBA actually is, because understanding this foundation is crucial. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. It's a service where you send your products to Amazon warehouses and they handle everything as storage, packing, shipping, customer service, and returns. When a customer buys your product, Amazon pick it from their shelves, pack it professionally, and ship it with their world-class logistics network. This is different from other business model where you are handling everything yourself. With FBA, you just focus on finding great products and growing your business, while Amazon handles the operational headache. Your product automatically becomes eligible for Amazon Prime free next day shipping, which customers love and trust. Here's why this matters. Amazon is a $2 trillion company where over half of all e-commerce sales happen. Nearly 66% of those sales comes from third-party sellers just like you and me. Right now, more than 500,000 Amazon sellers earn over $100,000 per year. This opportunity is real, but success requires following the right process. Let me walk you through the complete step-by-step process to start your Amazon FBA business. If you are getting value from this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps me grow this channel and brings even more free training to entrepreneurs like you. Now, something exciting. I'm holding a 5-day challenge called the 50-day sales challenge, where I will walk you through my exact process for finding products opportunity that consistently sell 50 or more units per day. These are not theories. They are the same research method have used to uncover products that have generated millions in revenue. And here's the truth. You can have great marketing, beautiful branding, all the bells and whistles, but if you are not selling something people actually want, you will always feel stuck. This challenge is small on purpose so I can work closely with everyone who joins. If it sounds like something that could move your business forward, check the link in the description or the comment to grab your spot before it fills up. And here is the best part. By the end of the 5 days, you will walk away with well-researched 10 to 25 curated products that you can launch immediately on Amazon, Shopify, or even TikTok Shop. All right, let's get back into it. Step 1 is choosing your selling plan and creating your seller account. Amazon offers 2 account types: individual plan at 99 cents per sale or professional plan at $39.99 per month. For FBA, I choose professional from the start. And here's why. If you sell more than 40 items monthly, professional becomes cheaper. More importantly, it gives you access to bulk listing tools, advertising options, and detailed analytics essential for competing effectively. Go to sell.amazon.com and click sign up. Use business email address that's different from any personal Amazon account. You will need to provide your legal name, business information, tax details, bank information for payment, and a credit or debit card for fees. Amazon will verify your identity using government issued ID and proof of address, which typically takes 1 or 3 business deals. Step 2 is deciding on your business model. There are approaches to Amazon FBA, and your choice affects everything from startup cost to long-term strategy. Private label is where you source generic products, add your branding, and create unique listing. This offers the most control and profit potential, but requires higher upfront inventory, typically 2K to 10K for initial inventory. Wholesale involves buying brand name product in bulk and reselling them on existing Amazon listings. This requires less creativity but faces more competition and lower margin. Then we have retail arbitrage, which means buying discounted products from physical stores and reselling them on Amazon. This is how low startup cost, but is not easily scalable. Then online arbitrage is similar but involves sourcing products online instead of visiting stores. It's more scalable than retail arbitrage but still faces supplier and competition challenges. For beginners, I recommend starting with retail or online arbitrage to learn Amazon's system, then transitioning to private label once you understand the platform and have generated some capital. Step 3 is conducting thorough product research. This is absolutely critical. Get this wrong and you will lose money. Get it right, you will have a profitable business. For arbitrage, use tools like Amazon Seller app to scan products and check profitability. Look for products where you can buy low and sell high with at least 50% return on investment. Check sales rank to ensure product sells quickly. You want items that most within 1 to 3 months. For private label, use tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or AMZ Scout to find opportunities. Look for a product with at least 300 sales per month, fewer than 400 reviews for top competitors, selling price between $15 to $50 and weigh under 5 pounds to minimize fee. Analyze customer reviews to identify improvement opportunities, product with consistent complaints that you can improve on. This becomes selling points for your improved product. Step number 4 is sourcing your product. Your approach depends on your choosing business model. For arbitrage, you will source from retail store, clearance sections, or online marketplaces. Build relationship with store managers to learn about upcoming sales. Use apps like Tactical Arbitrage to scan online deals effectively. For private label, Alibaba is the most common sourcing platform. Search for manufacturers of your choosing product, compare prices and minimum order quantities, and always order sample before committing to large orders. Expect sample cost of $50 to $200 and sample delivery time of 1 to 2 weeks. Negotiate terms including price per unit, minimum order quantity, customization option, shipping terms, and payment method. Most suppliers require 30 to 50% payment upfront, while the remainder is due before shipping. Always verify supplier credibility by checking their trade assurance, years in business, response time, and previous customer feedback. Then consider hiring a third-party inspection service for large orders. Step number 5 is setting up your brand and listing, because it's very important that you have a professional presence, and that matters than anything else. If you are doing private label, make sure you register your brand name and consider trademark protection. Amazon Brand Registry provides additional selling benefit and protection tools. You will need a pending or registered trademark to enroll. Create compelling product listings with clear benefit, focus tied to that include relevant keywords. Then you write bullet points highlighting key features and benefit customers care about. You craft your product description that addresses customer concerns and questions. You have to invest in high quality product photography, and you can get away doing this if you know how to using AI, but I would rather hire somebody who is a brand expert from Upwork to create my brand properties. And additional images should demonstrate the product in use, like lifestyle images, show different angles, highlight key features, and compare sizes or include dimension. Step number 6 is enrolling in FBA and preparing your first shipment. In your Seller Central account, navigate to the FBA section and enroll your products. You will specify which products Amazon should fulfill versus which you will handle. They call it merchant fulfill. Create your first shipping plan by going to inventory, then shipping, then click on send to Amazon. Select products and quantities you are sending. Amazon will tell you which fulfillment center to ship to based on their logistics algorithm. Prepare your product according to Amazon's strict requirement. Each items need proper labeling with either the manufacturer barcode or Amazon FNSQ's label. Some products require special preparation like polybagging, bubble wrap, or suffocation warnings. Package your shipment following Amazon's guidelines by using the appropriate box sizes, proper packaging material, and include the correct shipping labels Amazon provide. And you can use Amazon Partner Carrier for discounted shipping rate. Then step number 7 is launching and optimizing your listing. Once Amazon receives your inventory, your product become available for sale, usually within 72 hours. Monitor your listing closely during the first few weeks. Track keywords ranking, conversion rates, and customer feedback, and be prepared to adjust pricing, optimize keyword, or improve images based on performance data. And you have to immediately start Amazon PPC advertising to gain initial visibility. Begin with automatic campaigns to discover which keyword converts well. Then create manual campaigns targeting best performing keywords, and expect to spend 15% to 30% of revenue on advertising initially. Actively seek customer reviews through Amazon legitimate review programs. Provide excellent customer service and follow up appropriately. Never attempt to manipulate reviews through fake purchases or incentivize reviews. Step 8 is scaling and growth. Once you have one successful product, reinvest profit in additional inventory and new products. Analyze your sales data to identify trends and opportunities. Look for seasonal patterns, customer feedback suggesting a product improvement, or complementary products your customer might want to buy as well. Expand your product line strategically if you are selling a product in the same category. So let's say you are selling a kitchen gadget. Consider adding related items like storage containers or cleaning supply. This may not be the best example. This is just an example and not a recommendation. This increases the average order value and customer lifetime value. Consider expanding to international Amazon marketplaces once you have mastered your home market. Canada, UK, EU markets offers a significant opportunities with Amazon's global selling program. Build your brand presence outside Amazon. Create a website, a Shopify site, social media account, and email list to reduce dependence on Amazon and increase customer lifetime value. Let's discuss realistic expectations and timelines. Most successful sellers don't most successful sellers don't see significant profit from the first 3 to 6 months. You are learning Amazon systems, optimizing listings, and building momentum. Starting Amazon FBA typically costs between $1,000 to $5,000 for private label and $500 to $2,000 for arbitrage. This includes inventory, shipping, and Amazon fees and basic tools. The keys to success are patience, data-driven decisions, and continuous learning. Amazon platform and policies constantly evolve, so stay informed and adaptable is very crucial. Here are some critical mistakes to avoid. Don't skip product research to jump into selling quickly. Don't choose products based on personal preferences rather than market data. Don't underestimate total costs, including Amazon fees, shipping, and advertising. Avoid violating Amazon's policies, which can result in account suspension. Stay compliant with product safety regulations, intellectual property laws, and Amazon's terms of service. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Like I said earlier, diversify your product portfolio to reduce risks from seasonal fluctuation and increase competition or policy changes. Finally, remember that Amazon FBA is a real business requiring real effort. While it offers tremendous opportunity for location independence and scalability, success comes from treating it professionally and following proven processes. The steps I've outlined in this episode provide your roadmap from complete beginner to successful Amazon FBA seller. Start with step 1, create your seller account and walk through each step systematically. Don't skip ahead or rush the process. Amazon FBA remains one of the best opportunities for starting an online business in 2025, but only for those who approach it strategically and professionally. Follow this step-by-step process, stay committed to learning and improving, and you will be well positioned for success. What questions do you have about starting Amazon FBA? Which step seems most challenging for your situation? Drop your questions in the comment and I'll help you through your specific circumstances.